The hurricane signal number 10 and the red wing storm warning are now in force. At noon, severe typhoon Mangkhut is located at about 120 km to the south of Hong Kong. We expect that Mangkhut will continue to move west-northwest towards the western coast of Guangdong. According to the present forecast track, Mangkhut will come closest to Hong Kong in the next couple of hours, skirting to about 100 km to the south of Hong Kong. As Mangkhut has an extensive circulation embedding with damaging winds, we would like to appeal to the public to stay indoor and at safe places and should not take the risk to go outside to chase the wind and storm. And according to the radar, we noticed the ring band of Mangkhut is continuing affecting Hong Kong and bringing heavy squalls and heavy rains to Hong Kong. Regarding the winds, now we are having generally storm to hurricane force wind affecting Hong Kong. The wind direction is gradually changing to the east direction, and in particular, for the winds over Wetland Island, up to 11 o'clock, it recorded at 60 minutes average winds up to about 155 km per hour. That already exceeds the record recorded by during the storm passage of Wanda in 1962 and York in 1999. When the wind direction currently, Mangkhut is over our south and wind direction gradually changing to easterly direction. When it moves to the southwest of Hong Kong, the local wind direction will gradually changing to the southeast or southeast. And places that now being sheltered may become exposed to the damaged winds later. The public are advised to take note to the change in wind direction and the wind force. Besides the winds and heavy rains, the storm also triggered the significant storm surge to Hong Kong and caused the sea level to rise. And according to our forecast track, we expect the sea level over Victoria Harbour around noon to 4 o'clock will go up to about 3.5 meters above over the chart datum. And over Daiou area, between 2 o'clock and 5 o'clock this afternoon, the sea level will go up to about 3.8 meters or above the chart datum. Due to the combined effect of the heavy rain and the storm surge, some low-lying areas and coastal areas may suffer from severe floodings. And now we are under the combined effect of a heavy rain, squalls, storm to hurricane force winds, and phenomenal sea over the coastal areas. So the situation outdoor is very severe and beyond extremes. The public are advised to definitely stay away from the shoreline and stop engaging in any water sports activities.